Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to pay with cash on DoorDash. So let's get into the video. So open up DoorDash and log into your DoorDash account. So if you want to pay with cash on DoorDash, what are you going to do? Just make an order. So go to the checkout page here. So go to the checkout page so that we can get to the payment method section. So hit on continue, add an item to the cart, go to the checkout page, just hit on checkout. All right, then select all this information here, and then when you scroll down, you'll see this payment under payment section. You'll see payment here. Click on it, and then when you get to this payment option here, so what happens here is that you will see all the different types of payment options here. So under payment method, you will see cash option here, and if you see the cash option, so next to your other payment methods here, simply select the cash option. That's for the cash on delivery if you want to pay with cash. But please keep in mind that this option is not available for all the shops, because only certain shops accepts cash. So if you don't have the cash option, that means that the store that you're ordering from doesn't accept cash. So just keep that in mind, and then if the store accepts cash, then you'll see the cash option here, which you can simply select to pay by cash. And that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.